segi. Sampai masa nanti aku yakin kita jumpa lagi. Every time aku lepas dengan Mandy, rasa manis sangat macam makan candy. That was my past dream with Lucy. Kau kena cuba dulu then you will see. Pilih je dulu, tak perlu kongsi. Tukar baju, kita pergi tempat baru. Hanya aku dengan kamu, just us two. Jaw clenching, mata aku dah mula berpusing. Dunia ni sangat, aku rasa pening. Alam is buzzing, wallet is melting. Yeah, I'm stressing, everything is blurry. Losing my blessing, flashlight hitting. I'm betul dah guessing. Bukan I love you but you just stop repressing. Kau panggil aku baby tapi you was acting. Baby, datang sini. Ada banyak lagi aku rasa tak sempat bagi. Ada banyak lagi ku nak buat before kau lari.